Hello everyone. In this video I will show you how to control your PC and laptop from Android by TeamViewer. So let's go and see how can do that to control a PC with an Android phone or another computer. We need a software called TeamViewer. You must have to download and install this software on your PC. Here is the software. Open the software. Here you can see there are two options, file transfer and remote control. If you need to transfer any file to another computer, then choose file transfer option. Otherwise, click on remote control. This ID and password may be changed every time. Now suppose I want to control by an Android phone. For this, I have to download and install TeamViewer on my Android phone. Go to Play Store and search TeamViewer. Now install this app on your Android device. It may take some time to download. Here is the app. Open the app. Now to control our PC we need ID and password. Add ID, then click on remote control. Then give the password. Press OK. Here we can see we have connected to our PC with an Android phone. Now we have all control to our PC. Now we can do any changes of PC setting now. Sometime your friend asks to fix any computer issues. So you uses this method to connect it and fix your friend's problem if you can do. That's all these videos. Keep learning. Have a nice day.